high school Korean language teacher with a decade of experience, and someone asked me if I have plans on publishing textbooks, and my answer is no, and here's why. It has to do with my experience in learning English. I was born and raised in Korea until I was 15, and when I first came here, I had 4 years to really learn English from scratch and get ready for college, prep for SAT, etc. The thing that helped me the most is not textbooks, because it's overwhelming when you see everything on one page. What really helped me is flashcards. I love this so much to the point I apply the same concept when I created Korean flashcards for Korean. In terms of pedagogy, it has to do with scaffolding and comprehensive input. Imagine you're like a baby. I have a 1-year-old daughter, and if I give her this ginormous steak all in chunks, she cannot eat it because she only has 8 teeth. Right? So I cut it in very small pieces, give it to her one by one. And that's what literally happens when you learn language. So when you have my flashcard, this is what I did when I was learning English too. I don't go over a lot of things. I only go over 2 expressions a day. Let's say these are numbered at the bottom because I want you to go through in certain order. Okay? With everyday themes color-coded, okay, and has visuals, romanization, but I don't really like that. So I have QR code-based video lessons for my full face on it. You're gonna see how my mouth moves as I say these expressions. I'll only spend 30 minutes before I go to bed and 30 minutes when I wake up to go over my own flashcards, especially when I was learning English for SAT. SAT vocabulary words, flashcards work amazing. Imagine getting 10 years of my teaching expertise and knowledge as a native Korean speaker all in this one beautiful deck. It's called About Korean. Check it out.